Once again.
What's up, Wagwan guys? I'm in Jamaica and I'm gonna do a DIY for my center table. And guys, I have these two kinds of mesh here, and then I have this one, and I'm gonna use it on my bowl or vase. And I have a few of these and I'm gonna set it on top just like that. But first we're gonna bling out this one first, and I have some of this one as well, and I have this beautiful one. I'm gonna use some on each. I'm gonna do two of them, but I'm gonna do one on camera for you guys. And you need your glue gun, some glue sticks, and scissors. All right, let's get this show on the road. This is how I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna glue this one like this, some short, some tall, and I'm gonna use different mesh. And then I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna add it right here. And I'm gonna continue right around with the different shapes, and then I'll come right back. Guys, this is where I'm at. Now I use this different kind or different type to line this side. I'm going to use this side as the front. Just like that, guys. And I'm going to add some bling in the space. Now I have these little pieces and I'm gonna glue it this way, and I'm not gonna bring it all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna bring it about here. Just like that. I'm gonna glue the rest of them like this, and then I'm gonna come right back. All done, almost. I have these rhinestones, and in these spaces I'm gonna add one. And now guys, I'm gonna glue the bottom on. Just like that, guys. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of bling to the bottom. I'm gonna add this one to each groove in the bottom. I'm gonna add it to every other groove. And guys, this is where I'm at. This is it, guys. And now I'm gonna clean it up. But just before I clean it up, guys, I'm gonna add one row right around the rim, and then I'm gonna clean it up. Yes, my peeps, These are my beautiful candle holders, beautiful, glamorous, and nice. Look at them, guys. Lots of details on them. And I add some bling to the bottom as well. And I have this beautiful vase. I got it from Bashko here in Jamaica. And it's really pretty. I add some water to it. And those are my beautiful flowers from the garden. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I am loving it. All beautiful, all natural. You can use these candle holders as a centerpiece for your dining room set or your dresser or your center table, just like this. Beautiful and nice. And you can add anything you want to it to glam it out a little bit, guys. And this is the final result. How beautiful, guys. I really love it. Look at that. Lots of details on them. So blingy. So nice. Look at that. And my fresh roses. Yes. Really pretty. And guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And put God first, guys. Mwah. Bye, guys. Yes.